smallest integer function. Yes, smallest integer function, and this smallest integer function we denote like this way. Yes, this way. Sorry. And this is also we call here ceiling function. Yes, you remember this name also, ceiling function. Also we call this function is nothing, ceiling function. And this ceiling function is give the value which is just greater than and least of that integer. Suppose देखो कोई भी एक वैल्यू ले लो. सपोज मान लो यहाँ में एक रियल पॉइंट नंबर ले लिया, नियर नंबर लाइन 1 2 3 -1 -2 so. Then just you put here any number. Suppose यहाँ में 1.3. Yes. Then this function will give the integer number which is greater than this which is greater than is this 1/3. Yes, which is just greater than 1/3, just greater than 1/3. Yes, there are, you see, many integer will be there like 2 3 4 5, all are क्या है greater than, sorry, this is 1.3. yes, not the 1/3. So here guys, you see, for example here, if we consider, if we put any point which is greater than suppose 1.3, yes, which is greater than 1, suppose we put here 1.3. now you see this function will provide us an integer number which is just greater than this number, just greater than this number. Because there are many integer will be there which is greater than 1.3, like 3 4 5 6, there are many integer, but this function will give just greater than this number. That means these two will be the value of this function. If we put here 1.3, yes guys, so you see the definition. If function f r2 are defined by this way, where the smallest integer, this is nothing, the smallest integer greater than or equal to x is called the smallest integer function, and it is also known as ceiling function. Yes guys, देखो again I repeat here. Suppose f का अंदर में 2.3 डालो, then what 2.5, yes, if we put here 2.5, then what will give this function? Yes, 2.5 क्या देगा बोलो? This function will give an integer number which is क्या है guys? देखो, which is greater than or equal to x, but is a smallest integer. Smallest integer which is just greater than or equal to 2.5. so 2.5 से एक greater integer क्या है? जैसे 3 है, 4 है, 5 है. there are many integer which are greater than 2.35, but which is the smallest among this one? This 3 is the smallest, so this function will give here 3. Yes, so suppose we consider here, you see, if we put here 0, if we put here 0, then what will be the value of this function? This is also will be 0. क्योंकि देखो फंक्शन में क्या होता है गाइस, जो चीज़ हम लोग डालेगा वो इंटीजर होने से वही देगा, और वो इंटीजर नहीं होने से उसका जस्ट ग्रेटेस्ट जो इंटीजर है वही को देता है. ठीक है, तो देखो इसमें सपोज डाल दिया 5.7. so what will be this one? This will be 6, क्योंकि 5.7 तो एक इंटीजर नहीं है, जस्ट इसका ग्रेटर इंटीजर कौन है? 6 है. so this will provide 6. yes, so this is nothing, these are the few examples of this smallest integer function. yes, so yes guys, so this is all about the smallest integer function. okay, and this is the graph for smallest integer function. You have to remember this graph also. okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. So please like and subscribe to my channel. okay, bye bye.